I'm not a tweeting person. Okay. Julie, explain what you did. Wait, is it bright enough?
Yeah.
Open the window.
Open the window.
Wait, don't step on what you did. I'll open the window.
Okay. You're stupid. It's because I have no shit in my head. I have no shit in my head. Stop it, Ray.
Alright. Julie, what did you do?
Go white stuff on the floor.
Kind of wet.
Got wet like that.
I don't know if it's facing it or not. I'm upside down.
That wet stuff. It is.
Ew. Don't put it. Now it's gonna be covered in hair. I'm gonna get some lotion. It's gonna be like, why is there a hair wrapped around my hand? I don't know what I'm doing. No one. I just like to document what I do. Where's the mouse? Where's the cursor? Tell me where the cursor is. Someone.
Okay. Oh. Wait, the X?
No, just tell me where the cursor is. You have the mouse, the little arrow.
Oh, it's right here. It's on Julie's face hair. My hair.
Okay. Alright. Oh, it wasn't even recording.
It's in my.
Oh well.
Julie, I'm gonna take your hair.
Still recording.
It's so,
No.
like, he's so hot.